Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Vlookup formula here in Microsoft Excel. So let's say that I'm trying to look for the person who has this ID number from this database. So to save me the time from manually looking for it, I'm going to use the Vlookup formula. So I'm going to click on my cell over here, then I'm going to input an equal symbol, then I'm going to write Vlookup, then an open parenthesis, then you're going to click on the cell of the value that you're trying to look up and then put a comma. And then now you're going to choose your database like so, and then put another comma, and then you're going to put the number of the column of where you're specifically searching for. So for my case, it's going to be number 2 since I'm looking for the name, and here in my database, the names are in column 2. Now, I'm going to put another comma here, and then you're going to put false, which means to find an exact match. Then you're going to put your close parenthesis, then hit an enter, and there you go. Thanks for watching.